How do? And welcome to a Phoenix tutorial with me, Phoenix. The other day I was working on the shoutout command because I had noticed a few of my streamer friends had it where when you hit the shoutout button it didn't just show their name and stuff in the chat box, but it also showed a clip from their channel. And I wanted that for my own. However, most of the videos that I saw used other stuff that I wasn't currently using, and I didn't want to add something else to it, or were a little bit outdated so that it didn't exactly look like what I was doing. So I thought, let me make a quick tutorial, and here we are. This guide is going to make a couple of assumptions, namely that you already have OBS installed and that you have a basic understanding of how it works. That you also have a StreamElements account. If you don't, you might want to go get that done and then come back. Alright, that established, what we'll need for this tutorial is, of course, Twitch Guru, which is at twitch.guru, StreamElements, Twitch, and OBS. You'll start here, and in the top left corner of twitch.guru, you'll see the connect button. You will click that, and it will connect you to your Twitch. You simply tell it to authorize, and then it takes you here. So then you're going to scroll down and click Shoutout Player. Alright, from here it's going to be a little bit of plug and play. Just follow me along. Step 1 is going to be your channel. You're going to put your name. Mine's FPhoenix, of course, so that's what's in there. Then you're going to go down here to clip settings. This is basically, it's going to show the quality, the volume, etc., etc. I didn't mess with a lot of this. I just messed with the duration, which was about 20 seconds. I think that's enough time to get an idea of the streamer that you are shouting out. Volume, you want it half. I hear this can get pretty loud. Selection. You can actually choose their most popular or random. I went with random. There's also this fallback option, which initially I think is unclicked, and so you'll click it and tell it to show profile image if no clips are available. So say they're a newish person, or they didn't know to make clips and haven't gotten around to doing it, there you go. So anyway, that's set up. We move on to the next one. And no, it's not the style settings. That is a pro thing. You can. This is a free, and I don't have the pro. So you skip over to chat settings. And here's where you get into the more meaty part that's going to lead towards the end. You'll need your OAuth. And in order to get that, this is where we had StreamElements up for. So what you're going to do is you are going to go over here to your StreamElements. You will go to the top right corner where your icon is for your account. You will go and click your name, in my case, FPhoenix owner. And then right here, you need this, the JWT token. You will click copy. And then you will go back to the overlays guru part and paste it in there. You will put the bot name here. You will work on your message. It has this part right here automatically there, and then that's all you need. It gives you an example over here of what it's going to look like. When this is done, we'll come down here to the final step, the copy code. Everything you've been putting up here is going to be used down here. It's been inputting all of that. But before that, we want to go into StreamElements and we want to make a shoutout command. So you're going to go back to StreamElements. you're going to go to chatbot, chat commands. Go to custom commands, and then you're going to tell it add new command. Well, as you can see, I technically already have one, but bear with me. When you hit that add command button, it comes down here. You're going to put in your command name, in this case, SO. Put the response type, say, user level, moderator. You can technically make it available for everyone. That's up to you. I'm just going with moderator, minimum level at this point. And back what I was saying in Twitch Guru, where that response type for it, I didn't really get used. This was where it actually gets used. So I guess if you were using Twitch Guru directly, it would be there, but not in this case. So I will put this in the more section of this video so that you can just copy it into there directly, and then you'll paste that in, and then you'll hit the save button. But again, I've already made this command, so that's why it's not showing. But once you hit save, it'll basically be made. So now comes the final part. You got your command made, you've got the Twitch Guru stuff all lined out. You're going to come down here, you're going to hit this copy button. You are now going to come to your OBS. In this case, I have an in main screen. You will hit this plus button, and you are going to go to browser. You will name it whatever you want to name it. In this case, I'll name it TG for Twitch Guru. Hit OK, and here where it says URL, you will clear that out and paste in what was made. Hit OK. Now you want to move it somewhere wherever you want it to be seen. A lot of my stuff I have technically overlaid where the cam is, but in this case I put it in the center. And that's basically how you set it up. Now, what you want to do is test it to make sure that it is working. From there, go to your chat, and then we are going to type in exclamation SO and whoever you want to use to test. In this case, I'm going to shout out my boy Virtuous Hobbs.
Okay. Here, if you want, it's yours. And she's feeding us? Yo, let's put a ring on it.
I understand that he's like in charge of like keeping her safe, but after all of that,
you know how I knew we was gonna be friends? It's the kids.
It's messed up.
They called me Mr. Glass.
Deserves.
And there you have it. We have successfully added a clip playing shout out. Congratulations! If you like this, please give it a like. Consider subscribing. I will be putting out more content in the future. In the meantime, I thank you for tuning in. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, later days.